Hello there and welcome back to your favorite channel. And in this video we've got some new update for you concerning Pi network, and the question that has come up lately regards Pi network. Well, owing to the successful open mainnet migration and listing across several tier 1 exchanges, Ace, can I still join Pi as a pioneer? Well, we're going to answer this question in this video and more. We're also going to guide you through the registration process just in case you want to get registered to join the Pi network. So you watch this video to the end and ensure that you follow through. Okay, so that question of if I can still join Pi came up. Somebody even asked it on my channel here in one of the videos, and the answer is yes, you can still join Pi, but for you to be a pioneer, you must be for you to even join Pi. First, you must be 18 years. Now, secondly, for you to be a pioneer, you must have mined Pi for at least 30 days to qualify for KYC application. So after your KYC application and then validation, then you are KYC'd, then you become a pioneer. But then you must do that before the 14th of March, which is the last or final deadline for the extended grace period for KYC validation. So the answer to the question, if I can still join Pi, the answer is yes, you can still join, right? But the second question, which is, can I still be a pioneer? Yes, you can be a pioneer if you have joined and you have mined for at least 30 days and then done your KYC before the 14th of March 2025. If you join Pi in January or February, or maybe early February, yes, you can make sure that you are consistent mining every day. Mining doesn't take any time. It doesn't take any time. It's just once every 24 hours you open the app and tap twice. That's all, and you've mined. So you wait until the next 24 hours because that's the essence of the Pi project. Okay, so first in this video now, I've answered the question, can you still join? Yes. But can you be a pioneer? Yes, if you can mine up to 30 days and then do your KYC before the 14th of March, you can be a pioneer. But after the 14th of March, after the end of the grace period, extended grace period, can I still join as a pioneer? That question will answer it at the end of the grace period. But for now, let's work with those who will join to be KYC'd as pioneers. So how do you register? Okay, you can follow the link in the description of this video, tap on it, and then use the username Iron as I learn, right, as your referrer. Okay, so now if you have your Facebook, it's best to use your Facebook to get started, because if you have your Facebook on your phone, so just tap on continue with Facebook, so that way it's going to grab your real name. But make sure before you see, the challenge a lot of people made may have been, some may have used not their real name on Facebook. Some, the name they use on Facebook is not the real name that is on their means of identification. All right, so their valid means of identification, like your international passport, your driver's license, your national identification number, or any other valid ID card. So if the name you are using on Facebook is not the real name that is in your ID card, means of identification, correct it first on Facebook and then continue with Facebook. Otherwise, just go with phone number. Continue with phone number. So I'm going to tap on continue with phone number, and then here you enter the phone number. Select your country first. I select Nigeria, and then phone number. Let me enter the phone number I want to use for this. And then phone number. Let me enter the phone number I want to use for this. So I quickly enter the number 7. Okay, so that's the number I'm going to use now. So I tap enter it. All right, so email, it will request for my email. So I enter email I use. Verify email. I'll choose a password. Then submit. Now look at the message here. You will need to verify your number in order to claim the coins you mine. Pi mined by numbers that cannot verify ownership will be burned. So submit. Okay, so at this point here now, set up your account. You need to use your real name to be able to claim Pi. So this is where you now choose your real name. Make sure it is the name that you have in your means of identification. Enter the name. All right. After entering the name, then enter your user, choose your username, and then submit. All right. So shall we go ahead and do that? I'm not going to verify this account meanwhile, so it's my account. I'm not going to verify it, so there's no need to even. So let me just enter my name. Then I submit. All right, so at this point now, add them to your referral team who invited you to increase your mining rate. So at this point, you can add the person, like in this case now, you can add my referral code there. All right, and then submit. So if no one invited, of course, if you're watching this video, I invited you, but make sure you KYC, right? So I'll submit. Okay, so you can see the message there. Welcome to Pi, a new cryptocurrency you can mine with this app. Pi is a cryptocurrency owned and operated by everyday people. Members mine Pi with simple daily actions in this app that help secure the currency. Get started. So I'm going to mine my first Pi. All right, so that's all. Just once a day, you tap once, then you are now mining Pi at a rate of 0.00 Pi per hour. Come back in 24 hours to keep mining. Click the button below to start a tour of the Pi Network mobile app. So you tap here to now your balance. You can see the balance there. Now, as soon as you register, you're going to receive a free one Pi. You receive one free Pi, and so now that's what you receive. And that one Pi currently is worth about 1 point something dollars right now. Okay, so next, so you continue Pi community chat. All right, so you follow through with all of this and your mind Pi breakdown, your role in network, view roles. Okay, so you can be a pioneer. Prove that you are human. My Pi by checking in every day to show your commitment to the Pi network and prove that you are a human being. You are a human, not a robot, not a bot. So this is the role for pioneers. So you must be KYC'd, or you can be a contributor by building the security graph. So you mine at a higher rate by adding other members to your security cycle, enabling the Pi network to secure transactions is locked for you. Okay, now ambassador, you can distribute Pi widely, mine at a higher rate by inviting people to join the Pi network, or you can be a node, run this decentralized application or blockchain rather. Node is currently in stage 2 of the testnet. You can download the node software from your computer and read more about Pi node on node.pi.com. Developer ambassador, you can grow the Pi ecosystem by receiving Pi rewards for inviting new developers who build successful Pi apps. Okay, so you can go back. So now, next thing to do, let's dismiss this at this point. So now, at this point, now this is your mining rates. This session will end in 23 hours, 57 minutes. So this is the rate you are teaching. You are mining 0.0037 per hour. So by the time you compute it together in 24 hours, you know what that could be for you. So you can use your calculator to do that calculation. Should I do that? Okay, let me pull out the calculator. So we'll do 0.0037 times 24. In a day, you have 0.08 or 0.09 pi. So in 30 days, you have 2.664 pi. Okay, that's fair enough, right? All right, so Now, to start your verification journey, you must have been mining for 30 days. So to do that, all you just do before you go there, just tap at the above here. So you can see here, unverified balance is 1 and transferable balance is nil, migrated nil. So here you can, if you come here and check up the lockup rate, you can see that by default is set at 90% here and lockup duration is set at 3 years. You get it? So before you complete your migration, make sure you adjust this if you don't want to wait for 3 years. All right. Some people did not know do this and they've received their pie and they are locked up for 3 years. Okay. You can decide to do for 1 year or 6 months or 2 weeks. Now, the longer and the higher the amount you lock up, the faster your mining speed. Okay, so the mainnet checklist, you have it there. See the way it will be. All right, so now deadline to complete your KYC. 92 days. Your timer is paused due to ineligibility to start KYC. Once you are eligible for KYC, you need to apply to KYC and complete your migration within 6 months. Okay, so mainnet checklist. Please follow these steps to prepare for the transfer of your Pi mobile balance. Okay, okay, so here are things you need to do. All right, but then you need to mine steadily for 30 days so you can qualify for KYC. So once you qualify for KYC, this will be unlocked. And so now you've got the information. So once you register, even after the mainnet, the grace period for the mainnet has ended, if you haven't mined for what's it called now, for 30 days, your timer is paused because of ineligibility. All right, so you have 6 months. Once you become eligible, you have 6 months to complete your KYC so that you can be eligible. You can then qualify to have your mined coins migrated to mainnet. Of course, once you begin the KYC application process, all these things you now begin to check out the download of the Pi browser, create a Pi wallet, complete. So all these, I'm going to take you through this one after the other, right? In subsequent videos. So if you just joined and this is like this, continue mining daily. Don't miss a day. Do it for 30 days and you will qualify. So the deadline for 14th doesn't apply to you if you just joined. All right. Now, what will happen to those who have been mining for donkey years and haven't completed the KYC? Well, so sorry that if by 14th and finally they don't extend the grace period again, what it simply means is that most of the power you have mined will be lost, will be gone, it will be burned, to be burned, right? And that means to go out of circulation, it will be given to anybody to be destroyed, to go into abyss, crypto abyss. And so, but then you can keep mining to see whether you can now complete the KYC thereafter. But then, like I said, after the 14th, we'll make a video to now address this very issue, because right now we want to really be talking to those who haven't KYC to make sure that they complete their KYC. Okay, so in another video, I'm going to take you through the process of starting your KYC when you qualify for your KYC. All right, so this is it. That's what it is. But then I think that I need to still go over here, tap on those three lines so you can see your profile here. Tap here. Okay, you can see the name. Now, if before you comment your KYC and you think that the name you have here is not the same, it's not your real name, it's not the name you have in your means of identification, tap on update to update your real name. All right, tap on update here to update your real name. So tap on update so that you can be taken to where you update your real name. So is your name spelled correctly, your name in English? To claim your Pi later, your name must match your identification documents KYC to prevent fake accounts from holding Pi. You cannot change your name in the future. This is the only chance you can do it. You may submit a correction to your name only for another 13 days and 23 hours. So if you tap on edit, so you can change your name now, okay, before you submit your KYC. So if you haven't done that, if you, okay, like now, I can decide to change the name. So we're going to do this in another video. So let's end the video at this point. All right. So please note that you can change your name. All right. So I'm going to make another video to guide you through the process. All right. So, and you can then begin the verification. You can verify your phone number. Like this phone number is not verified. This email is not verified. Facebook not verified. A whole lot of things not verified here. Okay. All right. So you want to like this video, comment, share, and please subscribe. And let's see you in the next. Thank you and God bless you.